not filming this, are you?
Oh, did you get your little GoPro thing back? You didn't throw it in my pack. Get lost. Not staring right now. Honky! Try not to get stuck with your pack.
Here we go, boys.
Coming? Come on! Come on! You can make it!
Here he comes. There you go. With this pack on, man.
Yeah. Makes the load a little awkward.
So I'm unsure of that.
All right, we're bushwhacking. We're coming to the end of it here, hopefully. 250 yards to what is supposed to be our camp location. Come on. Easy, easy. John's bushwhacking us that way, so hopefully.
Hey, where's that pocket knife on mine? Writing skills.
Good question, man.
That's good. So what do you do if you're what are you thinking on your socks if they're soaking wet?
Normally what I do is I just hang them in a tree nearby.
So take them off once you're in your pack.
Yeah. And then hang them up on one of these ropes or a tree and let the air dry them, hopefully. It only took us till midday to get the shelter set up. Let's go find a bird. Let's go find a bird.
All right. Are you trying to work right, Coke?
A little bit, yeah. You'll know when to work right.
Hey.
Easy out.
Little baby shake. Cold, buddy.
I think that's over there.
Myself, man.
I bet. I'd bet. I'd bet straight up.